Are you someone who is traveling to Abidjan for business purpose? Are you someone who is looking for an accommodation for a week or so? Are you someone who doesn't know which area is what? So today's video is all about top 10 best hotels that you will find in Abidjan. So this video is for people who is coming to Abidjan and initially looking for an accommodation for like 5 to 7 days. Watch this video till the end because each and every hotel that I will be showing and explaining it to you guys is different in the budget and also in different areas. So you will clearly have an idea of which hotel is where and which area is what and how far all these hotels or villas are from International Airport. Hey guys, this is Tanushri. I'm back with another video. I'm an Indian living in Abidjan in the west part of Africa, and I am here trying to help you people to know more and more about the country and the city before even traveling here. So let's not waste the time. Let's start with today's vlog. Located less than a kilometer away from the international airport, the hotel is easily accessible for guests and offer an excellent base for visiting Abidjan and also for flying in and out of the city. Guests can reach the hotel with the shuttle service which is available 24/7 at the airport. Located in the heart of the business district of Abidjan, the Tiama Hotel is a little gem that is both modern and warm. The noble materials used take you into a soothing and friendly universe. The Tiama Hotel says, following the renovation of 2012, our level of comfort has increased a notch and our security system has adapted to international standards. Located in the center of the Abidjan Plateau Business District, close to the headquarters of the major banks, institutions and the government offices, Scene Hotel Abidjan Plateau is the ideal destination for a short business trip or city break in the Ivory Coast. Modern, essential and Wi-Fi connected throughout, Scene is designed for the modern day traveler in search of trendy accommodation, efficient service and up-to-date amenities in a stylish and relaxing ambience. With 149 open plan design rooms and suites, with their unique cocoon beds and trendy walk-in rain shower rooms, Scene provides you with all the comforts you would expect and more from a business hotel. One of the best hotels in Abidjan. Feel Africa at Azalai Hotel Abidjan. Located in the heart of Abidjan near the two largest commercial centers, 6 kilometers away from business district and 8 kilometers away from Abidjan International Airport. Experience elegant African style while submerging yourself in the vibrant Ivorian culture. Live in spacious guest rooms offering large bathrooms, 100% natural local products, free Wi-Fi and air conditioned. High floors boast spectacular city and pool views. Azalai Abidjan is truly beautiful and one of the best hotels near Zone 4 to live in Abidjan. Located in the Makuri district, the property is a 15-minute drive from Rue des Plateaux, where you can visit the Great Mosque of Abidjan and the amazing St. Paul's Cathedral. The beautiful Bingerville Botanical Gardens are just a 20 minutes drive away. Ideal for transit between two flights, hotel backed up by a generator with free private outdoor parking, bar with 24-hour terrace, restaurant and swimming pool. The Ibis Abidjan Marcury Hotel has everything you need for a comfortable stay. Let yourself be seduced by the charm of a guest house with the quality of service of an upscale hotel not far from the city center in the Cocody district. A set of services will be made available to you whether you want a good meal or a massage after a day of work. Villa Anakao will meet your needs. Located at 20 minutes from the plateau, in a quiet area of the lively district of Cocody des Plateaux, Wallon, Via Milla offers 5 air-conditioned and comfortable guest rooms, including a master suite with sitting area, private balcony. For your short, medium or long stays, these rooms, the quiet of the garden and the quality service in a relaxed yet efficient atmosphere will make you feel good. Villa Mango, situated at the Rue des Jardins, Abidjan, Ivory Coast, is an affordable villa anyone can afford. It has beautiful rooms, air conditioned, a beautiful swimming pool, a garden, and everything else you need for your comfortable stay. What if you know you can cook your own food in the hotel? Yes, La Terrace is a small hotel, 3-star hotel, but beautifully designed in such a way that if you are here, you can cook your own meal. They provide you with a kitchen, the utensils and everything that you need to cook your food. It has a beautiful swimming pool, a beautiful terrace and a comfort stay. So if you're someone who is looking for an accommodation in Zone 4 and you don't want to pay much, you can always consider this hotel, which is just next to Cap Sud, Abidjan. With beautiful views, the Pullman Abidjan Hotel, located in the heart of Plateau, sits on the shores of the Ebriel Lagoon and 15 minutes drive from the international airport. It is the perfect hotel to stay for those coming to the area for business or pleasure. This 5-star hotel is based on the heart of business district and within walking distance of tourist attractions. These are close by with a 10-minute walk to see the Great Mosque, a 20-minute walk to places such as Cathedral of St. Paul and the National Museum. So I hope this video was super informative and I hope you now have an idea of how and where you should be living when you come and arrive in Abidjan. So I hope this video was informative. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel because I've seen a lot of viewers watch my videos but don't subscribe. So please do subscribe to my channel. It will be very useful for me. And also hit that like button, comment if you need any other topics that needs to be covered. Each and every comment that you post is taken into consideration and I will be coming up with all the different contents in this channel. I will see you guys very soon with my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.